Have you ever wondered how big companies make decisions based on millions of data points every single day? Like, how does a supermarket know exactly what you buy the most? Or how does a delivery app recommend your perfect rainy Wednesday meal? The answer lies in something called a data warehouse. But before we dive in, tell me in the comments, have you ever worked with a data warehouse before? Or is this your first time hearing about it? I'm super curious to know. When I started learning about data, the term data warehouse kept popping up. I thought, warehouse? Are we talking about storage units with forklifts? Well, yeah, kind of. Let's imagine a regular supermarket, the one down your street. It receives tons of different products every day: rice, beans, soda, soaps, noodles, and they all come from different suppliers with different labels, formats, even packing styles. What does the supermarket do? It organizes everything neatly: categories, labels, shelf positions, pricing, so both customers and managers can easily find what they need. A data warehouse does exactly that, but with data. It gathers information from various sources: social media, internal systems, spreadsheets, IoT sensors, and it cleans, standardizes it, and stores it all in one centralized place, ready for analysis, like a giant neat data-filled spreadsheet. Alright, sounds cool, but what's the real benefit? Let me show you a few real-world examples. A retail chain can figure out which product sells the most in each region. A hospital can track which exams are most common by age group. A fintech can spot suspicious transactions in real time. A marketing team can combine campaign data with sales to see what actually worked. Powerful, right? But maybe you are asking, do I need a data warehouse? Well, not always. If your business is still managing just fine with simple spreadsheets, then that's totally fine. No need to complicate things. But if your data is growing fast or you're pulling info from many different systems, then yes, a data warehouse becomes a must have. Any company in any industry that wants to make smart data driven decisions can benefit from one. Okay, so where do companies actually build their data warehouse? Here are some popular tools: BigQuery by Google, Snowflake, a favorite among modern companies, Amazon Redshift, Azure Synapse by Microsoft, and even the classic PostgreSQL, depending on the case. All of these help companies organize and query massive amounts of data efficiently. A quick bit of trivia. The concept of data warehouse started back in the 1980s, but it was only with the rise of cloud computing that it truly took off. Today, you can build a full-on data warehouse in the cloud and only pay for what you use. That's what made it much more accessible for everyone, from startups to enterprises. So, to recap, a data warehouse is like a supermarket for your data. It's a centralized, tabular, well organized repository where data is cleaned, categorized, and made ready for decision making. This helps companies stop relying on gut feeling or digging through 70 messy spreadsheets. Now, tell me in the comments, what's your favorite analogy to explain a data warehouse? Give me your craziest non-technical explanation. I can't wait to read them. And hey, if you find this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a simple tech explanation like this again. See you in the next episode. Until then, keep organized your ideas and your data.